Hello, colleagues and friends. This is Evgeny from PVH Guy team, and I'm glad to present our solution, automation of multilingual content checks successfully released for our client. And, uh, and let's start from client representation and its problem statement. Our client is PVH Corp, an international commerce company known by Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger brand, and provides e-commerce across the globe. Since our client was big, the problem was also big. PVH content editors manage a large volume of web page and multilingual content in more than 30 different country plus languages combination for two brands. And there are many issues appears on production sites due to multitude of factors. Some content blocks are not translated. Translation was not published. Manual mistakes of content editors. Mandatory page component are missing in some of locales. Backend services may fail on data extraction. And there are approximately 36,000 pages to check. One page, even shell visual scan, takes at least 10 seconds, so overall content quality and translation screening may take up to 100 hours. Wait, 100 hours. It was absolutely impossible for content editors team to manage such job. And they decided to manually check just only several sale campaign for each brand several times a week. That took them 150 minutes, but it's still a lot. And to solve these problems, we created a tool that automatically checks languages using Amazon Web Services as cloud provider, Content Stack as UI platformer for our widget, and this is the same system where editors work every day. And one of our main core component of our solution is Frank. It's a pre-trained native languages processing library, work inside the Lambda as a package. Its main feature and advantages: it's open source and free, pre-trained. The library provides fast and accurate languages detection out of the box. Privacy: that is not sent outside organization because it works inside the Amazon VPS, and pre-trained language model is deployed in Lambda. And let's look briefly on the solutions here. The end user interface is part of Content Stack. Used mainly by editors as a unique widget. This interface can activate a Lambda, the core part of the solution. The Lambda sends messages to SQS for each locale, initiating parallel calculations. This allows us to scale significantly without overloading websites. The Lambda collects pages for checks from the sitemap of each location's website. We retrieve SSR-rendered HTML page, split them by components, collect text from each component separately, and use Frank to detect its language's correctness. After the check, results from the Frank are stored in S3, where they can be fetched by the interface. And let's look on the interface. Each error has a severity that reflects the quality of the translation as related by Frank. The check result is designed to make it easier for editor to find the component with an error. Oh, what's wrong? Yeah. And tool is flexible. It can do more than just language checks in components. It also spots structural problems, navigation issues, check if content exists on the page, analyze the menu, and more others. Plus, it can be easily customized per custom needs. And now let's talk about benefits we got with our solution. Content become reliability. All broken pages are automatically identified on every release and shared with content and support team as support. No manual actions to perform. And dozens of broken pages were found during first runs. Correctness. The tool ensures pages are rendered with the required content blocks. Languages translation is checked for all the blocks separately using AI languages detection checks. This tool lightweight and customizable. Content check rules are easy to add, update. Easy to add and update. It's secure. That does not go outside organization. And PL library is running inside AWS VPS Lambda. And it's cost efficient. As you can see, calculation in the table, we're able to fit into the free tier when using SQS, Lambda services. Using S3 costs less than 20 cents per month. That is all cost for the infrastructure of the solution fit within $1. And the main benefits is time saving. Let's highlight the numbers again. 2 brands, 30 countries, languages combination, 36,000 pages, 100 hours for manual checks for all pages, 150 minutes just only to check one cell campaign. From the comparison table, it's clear that our editor team can save a lot of time. A full content checks now takes less than 25 minutes for all pages and happens automatically. This allows content editors and support team to get report about all broken, non-translated components across 36,000 plus pages. 200x speed increase with $1 monthly cost.